Hey there, I'm Mr. Know-It-All, the lead swing trading analyst trader at Swing Trade Pros, the #1 swing trading and bot community in the world. And I genuinely want to help you make your mark in the thrilling world of swing trading cryptocurrency. I've been trading since 2017 and I've taught myself many different trading strategies, patterns. I'm known for the falling wedge pattern, as you guys might know. I've dedicated my life to mastering these types of structures and patterns, and now my goal is to impact the lives of 1 million of you. Heard that right. My goal is to impact 1 million people this bull cycle. Let that be you. Cryptocurrency markets can be a roller coaster ride, full of ups and downs. But through swing trading, I've discovered a strategy that can truly make a difference. I've poured countless hours to studying the intricacies of wedge patterns, rising wedge patterns, you name it, and it has become my area of expertise. Here's the thing. I genuinely want to see you thrive in this market. That's why I've made it my mission to impact 1 million of you. I want to provide you with the tools, insight, and support you need to navigate this exciting but challenging landscape. Swing trading is not just about technical analysis. It's about understanding market psychology and developing disciplined risk management strategies. I'll be there to guide you step by step as we identify different types of patterns and structures and seize profitable opportunities. Together, we'll build your confidence in trading skills, ensuring you're well prepared to face the twists and turns of swing trading. Believe me when I say that I genuinely care about your success. That's why I'm inviting you to join me, Mr. Know-It-All, on this transformative journey. Let's make the most of this bull cycle and work towards your financial freedom together. You'll find all my links in my bio. Reach out and let's dive into this world of swing trading. I'm here to support you and your family and guide you every step of the way because your success matters to me. Together, let's make a real impact and achieve trading success.
All right, guys, welcome back. Today we're going to cover NVAX. We took this trade setup. We actually posted this in the Discord earlier this week, and man, what a day this stock just had. We actually closed this trade this morning. We were up $10,000, and I'm just here kind of recapping what happened. And obviously, this was an earnings play. Huge rip, over 120% move. This thing went to almost $11 today. It tagged the 236 fib extension. We were looking for this type of movement. We actually entered this trade here earlier this week, and we held on to the option because we knew that this was in a massive structure. All right, now you don't always get these big short squeezes or these big earnings calls like this. So I will say that there was a little bit of luck involved with that, but knowing what the weekly chart was telling us, and the reason why we did originally take this trade was this weekly double bottom, right? So the weekly double bottom is really the kicker here for this trade call, and the reason why we took the trade. And man, you can see the weekly squeeze just broke. We did get a volatility spike right here. Usually you get a volatility spike. You probably get a pullback after that, and that makes sense because we just literally tagged the top of the range, like the top of the range. Right, and man, what a candle this stock is putting in right now. Man, what a trade, guys! What a trade. Yeah, wow. So the real question is are there any other opportunities on these charts right now? We called out CDNA last night. I made a video, a trading view video about this stock. Here it is. I posted 11 hours ago. Before we can see the stock price was $11. All right. Who's live with us right now? I mean, we have one person on the stream. That's pretty funny. What a fucking trade, though, man. NVAX, dude. What a trade. I am just mind blown at this movement that we captured, and it is just really, really, really big. One of my biggest trades of the year for sure, 100%. Monster trade. I mean, the weekly resistance is actually up to $15, and if we look at the weekly time frame, we can really see that this. I mean, obviously now we've got that right. We've got that movement, but this is still set up. You bounce right off the weekly stochastics middle line here, telling you that this is going to make a bullish move. All right, and you had the reason why I took this trade originally was the tail end weekly bullish divergence off the RSI. Earnings catalyst, right? Massive weekly squeeze here set up on the chart. This asset's just now starting to build this momentum. It hasn't even crossed bullish on the weekly time frame yet. I think this stock is going to make lots of movement to the upside here in the coming months or years. Just take a look at where we're at on the chart. We're still really, really low. We made a double bottom. This is a huge trade setup for a swing trader. We went through this in actually our module, one of our modules, and I'm actually going to probably publish that here shortly because why not? I mean, yeah, that's up 122% today. That is a legendary move, absolutely legendary move for a stock to do something like that. All right. There are some other really great trade setups that I actually am in this one, Standard Lithium. I think this is another amazing trade setup. No double bottom or anything like NVAX, but you can see on the monthly time frame here, this is a descending broadening formation. This stock is a lower cap stock, and it's down in a value area, right? It looks like it's just kind of setting up the same way it did before it went on this leg here. If you really look carefully, we're also in a long-term channel up, and we're bouncing right off the bottom of the channel. Again, with the the momentum at the bottom on the RSI, so about to swing up on the monthly. You have the monthly telling you have bullish divergence that are forming here, right? This low right here is a lower low on price with a momentum wave losing its selling pressure, right? So you have some divergence there. And look at your 2 week. Your 2 week just crossed up, boom, crossed the signal line. This asset's also going to make a major movement. All right. Now I am in a stock position on this. I'm not trading an option on it. This is more of a longer term trade for me. And again, I think that this is going to really make a big swing up eventually. And the target is the $12 region once you do break that trend line. And so I think there are still some really great trade opportunities here for everybody. And there's nobody on my stream. This sucks. Yeah, well, everybody else is lost, I guess. Oh, how come it says that nobody's on the stream? It's weird. Anyways, yeah, I was looking at Peloton as maybe another potential trade setup. Peloton has got a bit of a wedge formation happening here as well. And yeah, this looks like it's going to do some stupid shit as well. Look where you're at. You got the bullish divergence on the 2 week and the weekly. You cross the signal line. Your stochastics giving you a buy signal. I think the next couple weeks, this is going to make a big move. Now, it is Peloton, right? There isn't really Yeah, the monthly here is also hasn't really given you a signal yet, but the weekly and the 2 week are giving you the signal, and the monthly is going into a squeeze, right? So, and you can see it's starting. It's starting to squeeze to the upside here. Okay, and yes, we tested this resistance level, and we're right at it right now. A reclaim of $4.30 means probably a break to 680. And this can happen pretty quickly, pretty fast once you build that once that momentum starts to drive. Okay. This is probably a great trade setup, just based off the RSI and the technicals telling you what's happening there. Okay. And yeah, your swing target on Peloton is up to almost 18 bucks. Well, how do you know that, Mr. Node? Well, look where the top of the wedge is. The top of the wedge actually can run all the way to $37. It doesn't mean that it's gonna necessarily do that, but I would say it's at an area where it could really do that. So your first real target is the $7 region. Yeah. Just like NVAX to touch that region there, right? And the hourly here looks like it's starting to form a higher low. I mean, we might get one more sweep of these lows here, but it just looks like it's starting to base out here, even on the hourly. You could probably take a trade off something like this right now. Might come down a bit more. Okay. Because you got a bit of bearish divergence there on the smaller time scale. So what I would wait for is maybe a higher low in the $3 region if it comes down there, or if it ends up holding the $4 range and just starts going sideways or something. I think that would be a good time to take the trade. Like the shorter time scales here are pointing down. So I think for now we're going to see some downside on this, but I think ultimately it's going to break out in a big way, and that could happen potentially next week. Soundhound was another great trade, man. I didn't take this one, but this is another asset that is it's doing pretty good. Right? You're holding above the median level here, the double bottom region, and I think eventually you are going to go into price discovery on this asset. I would say this actually does look pretty good here on the 2-day and the daily to continue the momentum. Right? You can see that the daily putting a nice candle in. Or intraday, we're getting a bit of a pullback in the market right now, but I think $5 region, or even 490s, 480s. I think that this can really also produce some nice movement. GameStop was another trade setup that we gave. Man, this thing legged up to almost $20 today. It did the move. It did the move to 20 bucks, like we had stated that could happen, and now it's probably gonna pull back a bit. I wouldn't be shocked if it came back down to $13 and retested this neckline, and then you catalyze the move to the next leg, 25 bucks. I'm trying to see if I can get onto my my Schwab account to show you guys the trade. Here you go. Boom. $10,000 profit trade today. Okay. The only stock that I'm actually down on right now is this can stock, but that's fine. I can't be in a profit on every single trade that I'm in. But how do I show the how do I show the trade history? Anyone know how to do that? History. So here it is, guys. $9,347 profit. Okay. And my cost basis was $740 on this trade. Yeah. Fucking monster trade. Wow. Pretty amazing result off this trade. Yep. There it is. No BS. NVAX, man. Woo! Yeah, I'm just I even plotted the trade. Look at this. Here it is. The exact movement of the trade. 3-to-1 risk to reward. TA is not real, guys, right? TA is fake. No, man. I mean, this is a really great trade, and the reason why my option spiked so much is because today was the expiration, and I'm just lucky that this did this type of movement here. This is not a typical result at all. This just happened to play out, and I'm lucky that it did. And well, when something like that happens, you just have to take profit, move on. I mean, look at this. Look at this. It's crazy, crazy wick, dude. Yeah. Wow. What a sequence of events for the stock here. This actually looks like it's setting up to go higher. I mean, yeah. Crazy. What's happening in the crypto market right now is Tether made a move up here, huh? Correct. Yeah, well, it's trying to reclaim that resistance level. We're probably going to see some more downside in crypto. Unfortunately, I thought yesterday was actually a pretty good day. This weekly support is really strong support, and now that it's claiming it and holding it, we could be in for some downside here, folks. All right. Could be in for some downside. You could scalp some longs here right at the resistance, but you can see that it's looking like a potential cup with handle type of formation, and that could definitely resolve itself up. The weekly on this is the RSI is sitting neutral. I mean, we're no longer oversold. My only concern though is this divergence that we have here is playing out. So we could be looking at some weeks potentially. But it's now overbought on the hourly. We probably should bounce here. Total right at support again. Like I said, you could probably scalp some longs here on most assets. Bitcoin is holding the 60K region. We just, the thing is we're still making these lower highs. So the trend is overall to the downside here right now, unfortunately for crypto. The stock market, we got some stocks that are doing some things. Beyond Meat's another one here that might actually break out. This actually might be actionable, right? You have a triple bottom. 1, 2, 3 bottoms here. Okay. This might be actionable. Okay. I might even consider playing this. Right. This might do something soon. Okay. Look at the squeeze. We have the same divergence set up on chart. It's just diverging. It's just diverging and diverging and diverging and diverging. And the price going down, 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 down. At some point, this divergence is going to play out. Now, I don't like how the monthly stochastics here are not like elevating. Yeah. This is implying, it is implying we're going to see a movement up here. Might take a trade off this. I mean, this looks not bad. This looks not bad. What do you guys think of Beyond Meat? I don't know. Was there a Fed meeting today or something? I don't think so. I don't think there was any Fed news today. Investing.com. U.S. stocks edge higher, strong earnings prompt weekly gains. Mm, Uh, federal budget balance for April. Federal vice chair for economic calendar. There's nothing on the calendar, man. Not that I see. U.S. economic calendar. Today's Friday, May 10th. I'm not seeing anything. But yeah, Bitcoin looks like shit. It looked like a cheat. Sure. Michigan, uh, who cares about any of that? Yeah, I'm just the dollar here is just a little worrisome. That's all. I know, dude. I know you're the only one watching my stream. It's just really mind-boggling that nobody really gives a shit about what I talk about anymore. It's kind of sad. Like, why do I even come on here? I should just continue doing what I do and just do it for myself, and that's it. So I don't know. People don't care about charts. They don't care about making money trading, I guess. Well, Lucid didn't break its trend line yet. Watching for that break, because when this does break, this is going to be a big move. The monthly on this is pretty wrecked. Yeah. This stock is still looking pretty good, man. I mean, the weekly on this thing looks absolutely immaculate. Broke the channel, back tested it, rallied. Beyond Meat. I'm still debating whether or not I want to take this trade or not here on Beyond Meat. No breakout. But a triple bottom. Hmm. Looks like it wants to go. Looks like it wants to go. They have earnings or something? Oh, it's all good, man. I understand. Um, CDNA. This stock just broke out today. Tag the 618 fib extension. Yeah, I mean, like, this is the stuff, dude, that, like, that we look for. What's Upstart doing? That pullback. Still like Upstart a lot here. Yeah. Tilray, yeah, this thing's shit. Square. What's Tether Dominance is just ripping. Fuck, man. And this breaks out. It's not gonna be pretty. Not gonna be pretty if this breaks out, guys. This looks like it's gonna break out. Looks like it's gonna do it. A weekly crossing up. Gotta really hold this low, man. If we lose this low, we're coming all the way back down to 57K. There you go, man. It's like the inverted cup and handle Bitcoin.
All right. Well, I think that's it for the stream. I mean, nobody's really requesting or wanting anything right now, so I'm gonna close the stream up and catch you guys in the next one. All right. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.